Good morning! Today we have a very interesting video of a test we've conducted on Mitsubishi laser cutting machines in Italy. Let's check out how things went on the application day.
Siamo da Nexteel, Gambellara, provincia di Vicenza. Andiamo a applicare il Trio TS su un banco 3000-1500 Mitsubishi 6 kW.
After 2 weeks, the client has sent us the pictures of the tables onto which our biodegradable Trio TS was applied using Trio guns, and the tables which were left untreated. Client management teams also shared the production figures for comparison. This is the screenshot of the message received by the supply chain manager of Nexteel in Gambellara, the company where the tests were conducted. If you too would like to stop cleaning the tables of your laser cutting machines, contact us now at www.triotechnology.com.